Let's talk about the scalar and vector. The scalar is a physical quantity that can completely describe and only described by a magnitude. For example, the mass, time, volume, density, and energy. You can see the mass we can define it as a 1 kg. Let's say we have a time of 2 seconds and 10 meter cube, etc. Now you can see here the value we assign to it is just the magnitude. We have no way to define a direction to it. The key difference between the scalar and the vector is given by this direction, right? The scalar do not have a direction. This is the key difference. Now the vector is a quantity that can define both magnitude and a direction. For example, displacement, velocity, and the force. Let's say we have some object at the point A, right? And now we move it to the point B. Right? We have some initial position and a final position, and we can define this thing to have a direction, right? Which way we move toward. And the difference between this A and B is known as a displacement, and the direction of the displacement is defined by the defined from this initial position to the final position. We will just draw the arrow like this. The velocity also the same. Let's say we have a car, right? They are moving forward. If we can see, let's say this car have a velocity of 2 meter per second. They were moving toward a given direction. In this case, let's say this is a positive x. So vector is something we require both magnitude and a direction to define it.